Hi there, are you interested in finding ways to make more and work less this season? How about getting more exposure without using online travel agents and paying their commissions? What about ending the cash flow worries of the low seasons forever? Then I invite you to join me on my free upcoming masterclass, which is called How Bed and Breakfasts, Guest Houses and Inns and Small Hotels Can Enjoy More Income with Less Work and Pay Less Commission. In this free masterclass, I'm taking you through the mechanics of setting up 3 essential systems that will fundamentally change the way you do business, allowing you to serve your guests better than your Airbnb competitors and for you to make more money with less work. In the first hour, you'll discover the secrets of your very own money-making machine. I'm going to take you through a system to take control of your bookings, regardless of their source, and encourage your guests to buy more from you, to enhance their stay with you, and to increase your bank account without any more work on your part. You'll be able to watch me build this out live on the screen. In the second hour, I'm going to show you how to construct an offer for your past guests, which will excite and entice them to return, giving you more predictable repeat business and allowing you to say goodbye to cash flow worries in the low seasons forever. You'll watch me construct an offer live on the screen, so come prepared with your ideas. In the third hour, I'm going to show you how to easily create a free guide to your area based on what your guests are already asking you, allowing you to position yourself as an expert in their eyes and stand out from the crowd. I'm then going to show you how to use this free guide strategically to attract a constant flow of more guests both on your website and on social media so that you're getting more exposure without using the online travel agencies. And you'll be able to watch me do that live on the screen as well. So to join me, click on the link below on this page, somewhere on this page, to check on the date and the time and reserve your spot on this amazing training, and I'll see you there.